What's up, everybody? Today's video is basically some clips of the dyno. Let's pop the hood. Oh, if you're wondering what happened or I'm running these stock wheels in the back, I'll show you a clip of what happened. Some idiot didn't put air in his tire and yeah. Also, I just want to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed. I just surpassed 100 subscribers, which is awesome. Makes me want to continue and make videos for you guys, even though I don't think they're the best, but thank you to everybody. So right here, I have PRL turbo inlet pipe, PRL race math housing, PRL intake, PRL flex fuel kit. I have PRL catless downpipe. Bought that brand new for $400 on Facebook Marketplace. I have Mishimoto charge pipes, Mishimoto intercooler, and I also have XDI fuel system upgrade. I also have a 1350cc XDI injectors. So I actually made 383 was my best. 383 wheel and 405 torque on 93. And on E40 blend, I'm making 405 wheel horsepower and 416 or 415 torque. I'll show you guys the graph and what Derek posted on his Instagram. No issues, super fast. Been ripping the shit out of it. Yeah, it's a safe tune, so he tuned it where I can still daily and still have fun in Mexico or the track or wherever I'm going. Yeah, the car's running very well and no issues. It's still beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have some clips of me ripping the shit out of it probably next video. But yeah, thank you everybody. See ya.